Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can turn off your live voicemail on your iPhone. So live voicemail is basically the setting in which if you do not pick up your phone will go on live voicemail recording place, which means like if the person on the call sends you any message or talks with you, it's going to be recorded, and once you open up your phone you can listen to what the voicemail was. Alright, if you turn this off, then the moment you don't pick up the phone will just automatically be cut off. So if you want that to happen, then follow the step which I'm going to show you, because I will be teaching you guys how to turn off your live voicemail on iPhone. And before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to open up your setting. Once you open up your setting on iPhone, scroll a bit down until you see this option called phone. So search for phone and click on phone. Now once you're inside phone, you can scroll a bit down until you see this option called the live voicemail. You should clearly see it. If you don't see it, that means you haven't updated your iPhone, but you want to turn it off. That means you probably have updated it and it's on. So in that case, just click on live voicemail. Once you click on live voicemail, if it is on like this, just click on it and turn it off. And that's it, you are done. That's how you guys can turn off live voicemail on your iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos related with iPhone just like this. I will see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until next time.